Okay, you want to build your patio, and here's the deal. Builder A is going to charge you $4.50 per square foot, plus a $480 flat fee. And the other one is that Builder B is going to charge you $3.75. Oh, okay, this right here is less expensive per square foot. However, Builder B will charge you a $720 flat fee. So which one is a better deal? It depends on the size, of course, right? And here's what we are going to do. We are going to find out for what size of the patio so that both builders are going to charge the same. Because, of course, if you have a smaller one, you should go for Builder A because the initial fee is smaller. And if you have a bigger one, maybe you should go for Builder B, right? But we are going to find out the breaking point where they are equal to each other, right? So that's the idea. Whenever we have this kind of situation, you see you have the rate of change and the initial amount. That should be the code for the y is equal to mx plus b. So let me write this down here for you guys. Remember, y equals the slope, which is the rate of change, and then times x plus b, which is the initial amount, all right? So again, here, the b, the y-intercept, is the initial amount. And in this case, it's the flat fee, of course. And the m right here is the rate of change. Rate of change, right? So now we are going to write the equations for both builders. So I will say here is builder A, right? So let's do it right here. Okay, first, I'm just going to write down the builder A better because I don't know why. I just don't know. Like it didn't look nice. Builder A, here we go, right? We're going to write equation for that. X is the size, right? It's the number of square foot that we are talking about. And then the y will be the cost. So keep that in mind. Anyway, I will write down y that's equal to m will be this right here. This is going to be the m. So I will just go ahead and put down 450, and then we have the x. Plus the initial fee for that is 480. So we have $480, right? This is $4.50, and this is $480. All right, on the other hand, builder B, same thing. Y equals, well, the rate of change for that is this. This right here is the m. So I'll put down 375 times x, and we add. And this right here is the initial fee for that, so it's the b. Likewise, this right here was the b for the first one. So for the second one, here we have 720, like this. So these are the equations. And remember, the y stands for the cost, right? So all we have to do is, we can just put this to there, and then we can just set these two equal to each other because the y, right? This right here is y, that right here is also y. So we're pretty much doing substitution. All right, so have a look. First, I will just write this down for you guys. We will have $4.50 x plus 480. This is equal to 3.75x plus 720. And now I just have to solve for this, yeah? So to go ahead and do that, minus 3.75x minus 3.75x. And in the meantime, that's also minus 480. That's minus 480. This way, this and that will be cancelled. This and that will be cancelled. So when we work this out, we will see this is 0.75x. And that's equal to, and when we work this out, we'll end up with 240. All right, one more step will be done. So just go ahead and divide both sides by 0.75. That way, this and that will be cancelled. And in the end, you can do this on your calculator if you like. X is equal to 320, right? So when the question is asking for what size will the builders charge the same, well, it's going to be 320. I'll just write down 320, and we're talking about square foot. So I'll just put down square, technically square feet, I believe, square. I'm just going to put it like this. FT with a square, like this, right? So this is the size of the patio that both of them will charge the same. And if the size is smaller than this, you should go for builder A. If it's bigger than this, you should go for builder B. That's it.